fellow YouTubers, welcome back to Hobbies and Gadgets. And guys, this is my coldest night. It was -10 in here, and I'm going to show you how I actually got through that and a few upgrades I'm going to do on my van. So the first thing I did, I put the log burner on, put the kettle on, the water for the water bottles, stuck them straight in my sleeping bag. I went to get in the shower, but when I got into the shower, switched the pump switch on, all my pipes are frozen. I was like, wow. So what I had to do, I had to use my DIY shower kit, put my shower kit in there, my 25-litre drum, warm up the water on my log burner, what took quite a while, put it in there, had a shower, bish bash bosh. So I'm lucky I had my portable shower, but all those pipes were frozen. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put one of those thermostat heaters when you can like set it for 20 or 15 and it kicks off, kicks on. The reason is, I had the log burner on, I let the log burner die down, you know, when obviously I was going to sleep, and then I kicked on the Mr. Buddy on a low setting. But because in here at that time was about 28 degrees, obviously I ain't got a thermostat on the Mr. Buddy, so it keeps out pumping out the heat, and it just gets really hot and it gets stuffy in here. So you have to open up the window, and then, you know, you get a bit of draft coming through and things like that. But I'm going to get one of those thermostat heaters, and I think that will be great. But anyway, so I used my double beanbag, I put the hot water bottles inside, and it was nice and toasty. I've got some other blankets to put over top, but I didn't need to because this one's quite good. I used to use this skinny one, and I've got all different kind of bean bags, obviously some of my kids, and yeah, it done great, guys. So this is my coldest night, and I know if I never had the log burner and Mr. Buddy in here, it would be like an ice fridge. It'd be a box basically. You most probably kill yourself. Well, not kill yourself, but you know, you'll really be ill. So that was my little update and how I got on for the night. And subscribe, share, and keep tuned for my next videos, because obviously I'm going to do some more upgrades on my van and finishing, you know, just do some finishing off projects what I haven't finished off yet in a van. But yeah, guys, signing out. Peace.